Welcome everyone. So this CSAT 2023 was very difficult. If you generally you can say if you qualify, if you clear cutoff in CSAT, most probably you are going to write civil service in 2023. What we are doing at Lukmaan IAS, we are trying to predict questions for you for CSAT 2024. And when I say predict, it means the kind of questions you are going to get in CSAT 2024, logic-wise, right? The logical content. We do not say that verbatim. No, not verbatim, but logical content would be the same. And see, it is very. It's not a we do not. It's not a difficult task to predict question. Every aptitude exam has some level of difficulty. CSAT has already reached some particular level, and from our experience, we can tell what kind of questions and what difficulty level questions you are going to get in CSAT 2024. And this is our purpose. And we will not go into concepts here. For concept, please watch our CSAT lecture course available on Lukmaan website, or you can attend the classes. Here we will move directly into the questions. Okay, let's see. P is the product of the first 31 natural number. Okay. So what is P? The product of 1, 2, like 31. Then x is equal to P plus 1. So that means x is equal to 31 factorial plus 1. And then the number of primes among x plus 1 plus x2 is how much they are asking. So x plus 1 would be what? Your x1 plus 1 would be 31 factorial plus 1 plus 1, right? 2. So what the question is, they are asking among these how many are prime numbers. So you know the definition of prime number, a number which is divisible by 1 or itself. For example, 2 is a prime number, the only prime number which is even. 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, right? And prime number are the foundation stone of other numbers, right? And the other types of number are composite numbers. See, what are the types of number, rational, irrational? For that, you please refer our quant lectures, quant and reasoning lectures. Now, once you have that understanding, then you will write x plus 2 is equal to 31 factorial plus 3. This way you will keep on doing, and you will say x plus 29 would be what? 31 again, 31 factorial plus 30, right? And x plus 30 would be 31 factorial plus 31. Now you have to tell which of these numbers is not divisible by any number, so that we can call it prime. See this number. This number is divisible by 2 because this is 2, and in 31 factorial you will always find 2. So this is not a prime. Similarly, x plus 2, this is divisible by 3, and here also. Same way you will say for x plus 3 would be divisible by 4, and 4 would be contained in 31 factorial. Once you observe the pattern, and you will say, okay, let's say see this number. This number is divisible by 30 because 30 is there and 30 is also in the 31 factorial. So you will say, okay, none of these numbers is divisible, all of the numbers are divisible by from 2 to 31. That's why none of them is a prime number D. Next question. What it says, this is a wonderful question. What it says, a candidate writes the 3 digits of three-digit number A in the reverse order to form another 3-digit number B. And B is greater than A, and B minus A is perfectly divisible by 7. Two important things. B is greater than A, and B minus A is perfectly divisible by 7. Then it should be that. Then which of the following is necessarily true? Just see the 3 options. Now can you see, they are talking about range. That a particular A number will lie between 100 to 299, and A is the smaller number. Remind yourself, and you have to say some logistics. Any number when it is reversed. Let's say xyz and zyx. When you take the difference is always a multiple of 99. It might be 2, 3, like that. Let me take one example. Let's say 1, 2, 3 is there. 3, 2, 1 is there. What is the difference? Difference here is 99. Okay, 99 is the difference. So here, it is a multiple of 99. Let me take another number. Let us take one number from here only. 713 and 317, right? So this will be 6, 9, and it will be 3, right? So this is nothing but 99 into 4. So do you make an observation? The difference is always a multiple of 99. Once you have this thing in mind, so you will immediately say that b minus a is perfectly divisible by 7. Okay. So this means that the difference will contain 7, right? Because 99 is not divisible by 7, right? So the difference which you will get from, let's say, the number a is xyz and b is zyx. So its difference should contain 7, right? It should contain 7, and that is the observation. Now one more thing, you must also observe one thing. Let's say this number contained a multiple of 4. That is nothing but the difference of unit and 100 digits, 7 minus 3. Similarly, this number contained a multiple of, what I've done here. Okay, this is 198, right? Yes, this is 198. This is 99. See, sometimes calculation runs in your mind subconsciously. You do not even look at numbers, and this happens when you have practiced a lot. So, so this is 3 minus 1 is 2, and that multiple is again 2. So this way you can check for any number. Now the question becomes simple. See, I've taken time here to explain the theory, but I'm assuming that if you watch our lectures, you will understand it, and you will directly shoot into the question. What they are saying, then you have to find the range. So what you understand, the unit digit and the 100 digit of the number should differ by 7, and it can happen in which case? Only in 2 cases, when the numbers are either 1, you can make it from 18 or 29, and here you are looking for the range, and a is the smaller number. So now you have to make the smallest number and the largest number. So what could be the smallest number using 1 or 8? Let's say you make 180. That will, so the smallest number will be 108. Isse chota number you cannot make. Then using 299, largest number. Sorry, will be 299. Now you must be saying, why not putting 922? No. See, here you are looking for the range of a smallest number. Right, B the largest. So if this can be your A's. This is the smallest A and this is the largest A. And you can verify it. Let's say I reverse it. So 801 minus 108. How much it is? 693. This is nothing but 99 into 7. Right? And you got it. A difference of 8 and 1 is 7 here. So this is fine. Here also 992299. Here also difference is, here also 693, right? And it has to be because we already know the difference is 7. So this number, can you see? So that's why now you have to look the range from where 108 and 299 both are contained. 108 is not contained in this 299. Here 108 is A is larger than, okay, here both numbers are contained. Here 108 is not contained, and here also 108 is not contained. So that's why your answer is B. Very good question. Try to see if you can solve this question like this. It's not difficult. It involves some thought process. If you can do that, CSAT 2024 तो easily हो जाएगा. Okay. Now let's see this question. If x, y, z are 3 numbers such that x plus y plus z is equal to 5 and x, y, y, z is equal to 3, what is the largest value x can have? Now in this question, see, one method is, okay, keep on, by hit and tell, keep on take values of x, y, z, and that is also a good practice. So let's say somebody can say, let me take x plus y, z is equal to 5. So what I will do, I will take x is equal to 4 because I am looking for the largest value of x. So let me keep it 4, and here I keep 0.5, here I keep 0.5. So this would be 5, that's correct. But if I multiply these 3 numbers, would I get 3? X, y will be 4 into 0.5, 2, y into z, 0.25, 0.5 into 0.5, right? And that into x, that would be again 2. So it is more, it is 4 point, this is exceeding 3. So this is the way you have to see combinations, and you have to try to maximize the value. Sometimes you can also do it by options, but in this question, there is a trend. Whenever you see, x plus y plus z and, this pairing, what happens? Most of the time algebra is applied. So what you can do, you can apply this, x plus y plus z whole square. Okay, and this, is nothing but x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus yz plus zx. Okay, now xy plus yz plus zx is nothing but 3. Okay, this number is equal to 3, and this is equal to 5. So your x square plus y square plus z square is how much? 25. This is 5 square minus 6. 25, that is 19. Okay. Now you have to look for the maximum value of x. And x square will be always positive. So what you can do at max, make both of them 0. If you make them 0, so your x has to be what? Your plus minus 19, and you will take the maximum value, that is square 19. Okay. So this is the way you have to tackle this question. See, one more thing you have to understand. CSAT या जितने भी aptitude exams हैं, उसमें कुछ thought. For example, somebody says I am doing number system. Number system is just practice. One way is practicing 400 problems. 400 से ज़्यादा हो गया, 200 problems practice किया. Otherwise, there is one more better method. 200 problems में number system में कुछ thought है, 7-8 themes है, उस पे 10 difficult problem practice कर लो. आपका काम 70 problems में हो गया. That is what we are trying to do. We are taking some difficult problem so that your cognitive skills get refined. If A, B, C are positive numbers, such that A into B is equal to 432 and B into C is equal to 96 and C is less than 9, then the smallest possible value of A plus B plus C is what? They are asking. See, in such question, what you have to do, you have to make cases. So can you see, okay, you have some idea, that C is less than 9, but what I do with this? Then you say, okay, A into B is 432, B into C is equal to 96. So you might say, okay, why not divide AB and BC? When you do that, you get A by C, right? B will get cancelled, and that is nothing but the 432 upon 96. How much it will be? 16 6 okay, and this is 16 6 and this is 16 2 and 27, right? So this will be 9 upon 2. Yes. So now what you can say? So now your C has to be it's multiple of 2. So and it is less than 9. So C का value क्या हो सकता है? C का value can be C का value can be 2, 4, 6 and 8. Let's say your C value is 2. Then your what would be B? B into C is 96, so B has to be 48, right? Then what would be your A? A into 48 into 432, right? I think I've taken correctly, yes, 48 into 432, 432, yes, 432 and 48, it will be, right, 9, yes, I think 8, yes, this is 9, okay. So you got the value of C is equal to 2, B is equal to 48, this comes to be 59, A plus B, C is equal to 59, 59 is one option, yes. So you will say, okay, let me check other values as well. Now suppose your C is equal to 4, then your B would be, again, 16, no, 4, 2, 24, right? 24, okay. Then your A would be, see, from here you got 24. 24 into 4, 96. Then AB is equal to 432. So 24 into 16, right? This 24, 432 divided by 24. That is 24, 9, 192. That is 8, right. So it is 18 times. Sorry, it is not 16 times. This is 18 times. Here you got 28, 38 and 46. So 46 is also there. So now you say, okay, this cannot be my answer. This can be that, but let me check. Okay, now you will not check. See, now you will not check because you say 46 से भी छोटा कोई number नहीं है. So if you come here, you can, safely mark 46. But the same way you will check for other numbers as well, right? Same way. Let's say in this case, it will be 16. Okay, and your A would be 432 into 16. It will be 24. Okay, same way. So and this is how much? 24 plus this is 46, right here. So this is the way you will. 16 into 24 into. No. This will not be 16 into. This will not be. This will not be 24. Let me check. 432. 16. 16 to the 32, 1, 7, 27. This will be 27. So 27 and 16 or 6 is how much? 16 and 6 is 22, 42, 49. Okay. So 49 is also an option, but see, 49 is also an option, but this cannot be. So your answer would be 46, which you got from the case 4. Beautiful question, right? Analysis. You have to check, do a lot of thinking. Now let's come to the next question. What it says, for a 4-digit number, the sum of the digits are in the 1000, 100, 10 place is 14. Let's say there is a 4-digit number, okay? And let me call it A, B, C and D. And the sum of its digit in the 100 is 15. So what did I say? A plus B plus C is equal to 15 and B plus C plus D is equal to 14. Right? So from here, see, you immediately get that D minus A has to be 1. Okay. B minus C, just let me check. For a 4-digit number, the sum of the digits in the 1000, 100 and 10 places, that is 14. Just a minute. This is 14 and the sum of a digit in the 100, 10 and this is equal to 15. Okay. This is equal to 15. Then you subtract these two equations. So you will get D minus A is equal to 1. And what they are saying, the 10 digit is 4 more than the unit place digit. 10 digit is C. So they are also saying C minus D is equal to 4. So and then you have to find the highest possible 4-digit number satisfying this criteria, right? Now what you will do? So there can be many combinations, but here you have to be smart. You have to think, okay, where I should start with. So what you will do? You will think, okay. You will think, okay, these numbers are fine, this addition is fine. Then you will say, okay, this difference is big. C minus G difference has to be 4. And A cannot be 0. See, A cannot be 0 because it is a 4-digit number. So it can be 1 to 9. That is fine. And D is larger than A. Right? From these two equations you got it. So D has to be something from 2 to 9. And difference of C and C is at least 4 greater. So so C can be, what can be C? C can be 6, 7, 8 or 9, right? Because difference of C and D has to be like this. Now given this scenario, now what you will do? You will make numbers. Let me take the first number. 1, 2, 3, 4. At C place, suppose I am putting 6. Then your D has to be how much? 2, because difference is 4. Then I know the sum of BCD is equal to 15. So I know CD is 7, so this has to be 8. So sorry, 7, right? Then and ABC sum is 14. So this is already 7 or 6, 13. So this number has to be 1. So I got one number is 1762. But they are looking for the highest possible. right? So I will go to the another number. Let's say I take next possible number C is 7. So I take 7, so this has to be, difference is 3. Okay, because CD difference is 3. Then this is 7 or 3, 10. So this number has to be 5. So this is 7, 5, 12. So this number has to be 2, 5, 7. Okay, this is fine. Then what you will do? This way you will take number, right? So let me take 8 here. 6, 7. The next number is 8. So I know this has to be 4. This is 12. 8 for 12. 12 and this number, then BCD has to be 15, right? BCD, so 3, then 11 and this number has to be 3. ठीक है, कुछ गड़बड़ तो नहीं हुआ? Just check. This is 8, that is fine. Then it is 4, 8 or 4, 12, 3, 15, 15, that is fine. So this is also fine. But we are looking for the largest number. Let me see if see every time you are getting a larger number. Here, this one. Let me take 9. So this is 9. This will be 5. 9 and 5, 14. 14. So this number has to be 1. This is 1, 9 or 10, 14. 4 1s, 9, 5. So can you see the largest number is 4195. Do not do this question by options, right? Somebody might say, okay, I will. If you do, this question by option, you will miss the learning, the experience which you get by doing this analysis. This is more important. Sometimes, solving a question by option is fantastic, but not always. At least I would suggest when you practice in your study room, do not go into options too much. Okay, now let's see this question. For a positive number n, there is a positive integer n, Pn denotes the product of the this should be d, right? Digits of n, and Sn denote the sum of the digits. Then integer between 10 and 1000 for which Pn plus Sn is equal to n. So what kind of question it is? What they are saying? You take any integer. I take xy. Then okay, rather than I will do 1, 2, 3. I take this number. So they are saying the product of the digits. So product is 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. And the sum of the digit, that is also 6. That number has to be equal to that number 1, 2, 3. In which case it will be, that is what they are looking for, right? So एक आपको थोड़ा सा you have to keep this in mind. Whenever number reversal, right? Numbers को reverse करते हैं या they are looking for sum of the, so आपके mind में 9 जरूर आना चाहिए because 9 is a number which has many such properties. But even if you do not know, what you will do, you can also make equation. Let's say the product of the number is, I'm taking 2-digit number, x or y is the product, and the sum of the digit would be x plus y. And this number has to be equal to the number itself. That number can be written as 10x plus y. Right? Now just solve it. Y got cancelled. So, and you take x common, y plus 1 is equal to 10x. And this implies x got cancelled, y plus 1 is equal to 10. Right? And which implies that y is equal to 9. Once you know y is equal to 9, so now you will look for numbers. Okay, now you know, let's say 2-digit number. So you will say, okay, this unit place has to be 9, and let me see. You will try with 19. So what will happen? 1 into 9 would be 9. 1 plus 9, 9 plus 9, 18. It's equal to 19. Yes, this works. So product of the digit plus sum of the digit is equal to number itself. Same way you will try for 29. So what you will do for 29, you will say 2 into 9 will be 18 plus 2 plus 9, that will be 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 9, 29. This again is also working. So immediately you will get the pattern that this will also work till 19 to 99. That means there are total 9 numbers, but then you will think there might be 3-digit number as well, because the question is between 10 and 1000. So now it's your now it's kind of your homework. You have to convince yourself there is no 3-digit number which will follow this property, that the product of the digit plus sum of the digit is equal to the number itself. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this lecture. We will keep on sharing question like this. Thank you.